LLM application. These all are projects. What is this, Nana? These all are what, Nana? Projects only. It's not the applications. In the projects, we are trying to find what are the projects we are going to see today. Text summarization. Text, ideally, in the real world scenario, right? Customer wants to get the data. He gets the data in a bigger chunks, right? Bigger context or bigger context. What is your aim is to summarize and give the essential component in the data components. First project in Nana, first project we are doing what, Nana? Text summarization. Text summarizations are two kinds. How many kinds, Nana? Text summarizations are two kinds. Can you tell me anybody? Extractive summary. Enna? Extractive, abstractive. What do you mean by abstractive, Nana? This padam, this word you all familiar, right? What is the meaning of abstraction, ma? See, extractive is something that it takes the data into consideration of text. It considers the input and generates the summary. Abstractive is it creates a novel up. It creates on own. It creates on its own. When you go to this extractive, selecting the representative expert from the text. Given text is your most important for extractive summary. What is important, Nana? Your corpus. Abstractive summary is generating the novel text summaries. It meaning of that I create on my own. I won't use the context, which is the words which is there in the text. I will summarize on my own language. So let me tell you one example. He went to office at 12 p.m. He got sunstroke, admitted in the hospital. What is a general summary? What we can say? Going at office will cause sunstroke. This is one summary. I can write one more summary. Because of high temperature at 12 p.m. can cause the sunstroke. Both are same, right? Both are same or not same? What is abstractive? What is the extractive summary? First is extractive. Second one is abstractive. Right? Clear? Are you clear on this topic? So in real-time world, whenever you say summarization, you need to tell them that we have prepared the summarization, we have done the abstractive summary and extractive summary, and which is been confirmed by the customer what is the correct or what is incorrect. Okay, this is also a project. Okay, that's what I'm saying you. This is the project. It's not the I have worked on this project. Summarizations, we have done the summarizations, hell of summarizations. Okay. How do we do with OpenAI? We will see in the later part. Now we will see with bot. Okay. Now, bot is what, Nana? Bot is encoder or decoder? Encoder architecture. It can use for classification and name entity recognition. Named entity. Okay. Now, classification, you know, classification of the task. What is the classification, Nana? Second project, right? The classification of textual data, either it can be related to the particular topic. It meaning of that given context can be sports, can be politics, can be accident, can be games, can be anything, right? This is called the classification. This is called what we call Nana classification of the text. Sentiment analysis is different and classification is different. Sentiment analysis is what Nana? This is what Nana third project. What is this? This is the project of customers don't learn the thing that way. Customers in a bank or any insurance company want to understand customer feedback. What is this, Nana? Feedback. Whether customer is happy or not, yes or no? That is the called we call the sentiment of the user. What we call, Nana? Sentiment of the user. That's not a sentiment analysis. People misunderstood the whole concept of this. This we call it as the understanding of sentiments of a customers. Sentiment analysis, two kinds. How many kinds, Nana? Normal sentiment analysis based on the text. Second is most important. Write down this, and you won't find it in books also. Lots of books. I never seen that was there in the books. Aspect-based sentiment analysis. What is this, Nana? Okay. I will give you the example of this. Grade 2 watch. What is this, Nana? Is this positive or negative? It is giving an overall picture and it is telling that it is. Now, aspect-based. What is this, Nana? Aspect-based, same sentence. This is again a positive. Yes or no? Sir, aspect enduku vachinది sir anta. This is my aspect. Based on that, I am able to make the decision or not. See how many more important words which is contributing to this. That's where we call it as the what, Nana? Aspect-based sentiment analysis. Okay, how many projects we have done today? Classification, summarization, sentiment analysis. The fourth is named entity recognitions. What is this? Named entity recognition. What do you mean by named entity recognition? Why this is important? In a real world scenario, in a real world applications, most important, highly important is what, Nana? Named entity recognition. In the real world applications, we want to understand the topics from the text that we call as a entities. Entities and Nana? Entity can be an organization, name, place, age, thing. These all are the entities, right? Yes or no? In a given context, do I want to identify the all kind of entities? What is there in the group? Let me tell you, the context is this. What is this, Nana? Context is this. Context goes this way. Are you able to understand or not, first of all? The AstraZeneca produced vaccine, Covishield, but at age above 60 people got impacted. AstraZeneca is located in United States of America. This is what my context. What is your aim to? You need to extract the named entities. So here, what are the named entities, Nana? AstraZeneca is what, Nana? Organization. What is this? AstraZeneca is ORG. It will come as a ORG. This is what, Nana? Medicine. What is this? Medicine is, what is this, Nana? Age equal to 60. And location is what, Nana? Is it good, that good, right? Good to extract the entities, right? Yes or no? So in a earlier, in a traditional way, we have a NER, spacey NER, like where we need to train the model and tell that entire sentence, right? 1 to 15. This is an organization. 23 to 45. This is name of the company. That's where we need to make the data and there we need to train it. Thanks to transformers, you don't need to do anything now. Now, the best model in the so far is universal NER. What is this, Nana? Universal, all the existing models. Existing models. Now, is it clear? NER is clear or not clear? What is the name entity recognitions? You want to extract the named entities like person, place, thing, age, medicine, what are the things, right? We will use what, Nana? Named entity recognitions. That will be used done by universal NER that is based on transformers. What is this, Nana? Transformers. Project number 5. Translation. What do you mean by translation, Manikanta? What model will be used to conversion, Nana? Translation? Use case. Sir, what is the use case? Why do you use the translation? What is the business scenario? Why do we need to use the translation at all? So let us say Pfizer has launched the drug. The clinical trials happens across the globe, right? Yes or no? Chinese guy will write in Chinese. Japanese guy will write report in Japanese, French, Spanish. This all needs to be converted as a this clinical study. If I want to make a study out of it, I need to convert this into the English. Yes or no? Agree or not agree? So the use case is that whenever company wants to run it, like let us say, if I even I wanted to do even we have Indian languages also, models for Indian languages also. I will show you that as well. Navaratna. What is this? Navaratna na edo undi. Navaratna no edo Telugu word undi. LLM. Telugu LLM. We have Telugu LLM also. Okay. So these are the major LLM based projects.